When the cold air goes away, it's time for the kids to get outside, and what better way to enjoy that than with a fun science experiment?
That's right. Martin Fisher from Science Central is here for another exciting edition of Science Sunday. Great to have you here with us.
Good morning. Thank you. This is an activity that comes from one of the programs we have at Science Central, our science-oriented birthday parties. If you're looking for something fun to do with your kids and their friends, sign up for a birthday party at Science Central. I'm going to show you this experiment. I'm also going to show a way that you can even try it at home in a fun, safe way.
Love that.
We're going to make carbon dioxide gas. Now, normally you can't see it because it's clear, it's colorless, so we're going to capture it in a balloon. So here's what I'd like for you to do. Go ahead and put 20 milliliters of water into that flask.
Okay.
Fantastic. And this is a safe experiment, easy to do at home. You don't have to worry about safety equipment or gear because it's not going to hurt you at all.
There's your
Next,
water.
the chemical we're going to start off with is called citric acid. And again, it's safe. Even though it says citric acid, it's okay. Think vitamin C, basically. What I'd like for you to do is to get half a spoon of the citric acid and pour it into the beaker, into the flask. Perfect. Excellent. That's all right. It's okay. Half of science is of the fun of science, I guess, is making a mess, and you can do that safely at Science Central. Next, I put some baking soda into the bottom of this balloon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first place the balloon opening over the opening of this beaker, and then I'm going to lift it up, pour the baking soda inside, and our two chemicals will mix. So if the camera zooms in, oh, that's perfect. I'll go ahead and put it in and check it out. As the two chemicals mix together, it produces carbon dioxide gas. And normally we wouldn't be able to see it. We can see the bubbles, of course, on the inside, but we're capturing the carbon dioxide gas inside of the balloon. Now, as I said, this is an easy experiment that you can try at home. Instead of using citric acid, which I had to get from a science supply catalog company, you can instead use, wait for it, boom, baking soda, or excuse me, vinegar. So if you have vinegar, baking soda, and water, those three together, and you're able to do this experiment. Now what I find is if I use equal amounts of the baking soda and the vinegar, or equal amounts of the citric acid and baking soda, that's how I'm able to keep it in a nice contained and semi-clean way.
Wonderful.
Easy experiments that come from our birthday parties at Science Central.
And not too dirty, right? If you want to try it at home.
Exactly. Make sure, of course, that you have plenty of paper towels around, just in case you spill or make a mess.
Sure.
Martin, tell us what's in store at Science Central. How's the roll, drop, the bounce exhibit going?
Oh boy, that exhibit is so popular. It's, for those that haven't been watching Sunday mornings, Roll, Drop, Bounce opened up a few weeks ago. It's the science of motion, rolling, spinning, swinging, falling, flying. It is a very popular exhibit.
Has it been?
People love it. It's probably one of the noisier rooms in Science Central right now.
Awesome. Thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate
My pleasure.
it. And you and the family can check out Science Central on Clinton Street. It's open Wednesday through Sunday from noon to 5 today.